Introducing a top-of-the-line hatchback with all the bells and whistles you could ever dream of. From luxurious comfort features like air conditioning and satellite navigation to advanced safety features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. With a sleek exterior design, including a stylish spoiler and tinted windows, you'll turn heads wherever you go. And don't forget about the added peace of mind with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer-serviced guarantee. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie today to learn more about this amazing vehicle.